Hey guys, this is Abdubasi from Canorama. Okay, so I'm here on this video now to talk about why the Toyota Camry is considered one of the most reliable and most popular car on Nigerian roads today. Alright, so let's get into this video. Okay, I'm sitting here in a 2011 Toyota Camry. So now let me tell you about this car. It has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder and also has the version of the 3.5 liter V6, and these engines are really smooth, very reliable and fuel efficient cars. Okay, now let's talk about the exterior design. Compared to the previous models, the predecessors of this Toyota Camry, because from the 2007 to 2011 they are all the same. What they might look different from the exterior because it's just the facelift that makes them different, but they are the same car. You get the same reliability from both of them. Okay, now let's talk about the body style of the car. Compared to its predecessors, this car is really nice, like really well made car, because now it's designed to be sporty and bigger, which gives it a lot of presence on the road, and that's one of the reasons why most people really like this car. And if we talk about the trim level, yeah, we have the LE, we have the SE, and we have the XLE, which the S is the Sport Edition, the XLE is the Executive Luxury Edition, and we have the LE, which is the Luxury Edition. This car also comes with an hybrid, but the hybrid is not as common as the V6 and the 4-cylinder, which those ones are the ones that are really common. Okay, now let's go to the interior quality of this car. Okay, if you look at the interior of this car is actually really nice. Like even the headroom, there's a lot of headroom for passengers and a lot of knee rooms for whoever at the back. Like very good. If you're a family man, this is a really good car. Problem or only issue that I have with the 2007 2011 Toyota Camry is just the dashboard. If you notice, the dashboard always, when exposed to too much sunlight or too much heat, they tend to crack and start tearing up. So the best thing, the only solution I can get for that is just to get maybe a mat, or try as much as possible not to leave it for too long under the sun, or get the shade to always put the car under, so you don't have issues with that, because those are factors that can affect the resale value later in the future. Alright, now let's talk about the pricing. The pricing of this car, getting it from Tokunbo, 3 million naira, 3.5 or even above, because of the situation now we are in this country. But if you're talking about the Nigerian use, a well-maintained Nigerian use, you should be getting it for 2 million naira, 2.1, and you get a solid, well-used of this car and won't give you any issues. When it comes to leasing, you can take this car to any mechanic, like it's not a problem electrically, mechanically. They are not new to this. It's something that can be taken care of at once, and this car really saves cost and is a very fuel economical car. Okay, so if we talk about the competitions, it has competitions from other brands such as the Honda Accord and the Hyundai Sonata, which are also really good cars, which are also around this price range with the Toyota Camry. A video on that, comparing the two of them. Please like my video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you are alerted when we make a new upload. Alright, Abdubasi, goodbye.